Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making a project and turning on the translation API. This gives you the backend. Once done, create a service account and download its JSON key so applications can authenticate. Make sure to set the environment variable Google application credentials to that JSON path on your machine or server. Then install the G-Cloud SDK and the translation client library for your language. This lets you run a quick test translate call to confirm credentials and network access before building further. Next, you choose how to call the API. V3 exposes model selection, glossaries, and batch translation. V2 is simpler. Once chosen, set the location/region and specify a model or glossary if you need domain-specific accuracy. You should build requests that specify source and target languages, handle language detection when unknown, and chunk large texts to obey character limits. Also implement exponential backoff for transient 5xx errors, and use batch requests to reduce overhead and improve throughput when translating many strings. Finally, parse the translation responses and map them cleanly into your app's UI keys or content pipeline. Cache repeated results to save cost and latency. Make sure you monitor quota usage, billing, and logs in Cloud Console, and enforce least privilege IAM roles and key rotation for security. Once deployed, validate end-to-end performance and a few live samples. If something goes wrong, check IAM permissions. That Google application credentials points to the correct JSON, and verify location or model mismatches in error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.